This is video number 3 in my 5-part series, How to Become a Professional Songwriter Faster. Stick around. Hey, I'm Tamatha Lene, singer, songwriter, indie artist, and vocal producer, and I post informational videos weekly on songwriting and vocal production, so please do subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're looking to grow in these areas. In this series, How to Become a Professional Songwriter Faster, I'm sharing 5 tips that helped me go from amateur to professional in my songwriting career. So I'll link the other videos to this series in the description box below, so check them out. But right now, let's dig right into tip number 3, which is free writing. This is the best way to really unlock ideas in your mind and get out of your own way. So I usually grab my laptop because I can type faster than I can write the ideas that come to my mind, and I just write down all the different topics that come to my mind, and or if there's something that I've been going through or something that's just been on my heart that I want to tap into, I will just start to write all those things down. Love loss, depression, marriage, strained relationship, party, freedom, college, high school, children, food. I'll look at all the topics and then choose a topic. So I'll be like, oh, I really like this topic here. I like this idea here on parties or partying, or so then I start to write descriptive words or phrases surrounding that topic or that title, and just jot them down and don't edit myself, just jot it down. So if it was partying, it might be dancing, plastic cup, lose control, let my hair down, laugh, smile, loose, whatever comes to my mind. No idea is good or bad. Just write it down. Write down all those ideas. And this is a really good way just to open the floodgates, and to just, I like to do it, like I said, on a laptop, but sometimes I do it in a notebook because then I can go back and look at those ideas. But if I'm really trying to be fast, I use my laptop because I can just type really quickly. But free writing is a really great way to just tap into your creative center of your brain, and without having to think or for it to be an amazing idea, but you're just freely letting the ideas flow through you, giving yourself the freedom to just create. And this has been a great way for me to get through writer's block and to just come up with some really cool concepts for songs. I suggest free writing as a way to be able to write on the spot no matter what, because if you want to be a professional songwriter, you need to be able to write on call. So it can't be, oh, I feel inspired today. But if you want to write for other people, or you want to write for TV and film, they will reach out to you and say, we need a song that has this feel, and we need it in 2 days, or we need it later today. Sometimes it's that quick. And so you need to be able to start and get your juices flowing right away. It can't always be the way it is if you're an artist, where you really are just writing when you are feeling something that is really true to you. That's a great thing too, and definitely do that. But as a professional songwriter, a lot of times you need to be able to write on cue and on call. And if you're writing for other artists, they might give you different things that they want to write about. So if they're giving you topics, then you need to be able to write those topics down and then write descriptive words underneath that, and just be able to come up with different concepts and plays on words, metaphors surrounding the topics that you've been given by whoever you're writing for. And if you're trying to come up with these ideas on your own, then you need to be able to reach into that creative place, open the floodgates, and not edit yourself, which is another tip that we'll talk about. But and just be able to just write whatever comes to your mind. Another good thing is to use a thesaurus when you're doing this, because sometimes type in the topic word that you have chosen. So we said partying before, so you type that into this thesaurus, and who knows what words might come up. But sometimes those words might trigger other ideas that you hadn't thought of. The purpose of free writing is to be able to just tap into the creative space and the creative center of your brain, and just let the floodgates open and ideas come pouring out without thinking this has to be an amazing phrase. It's really just about writing down anything that comes to your mind surrounding a topic and then saving that so that you can go back to it as you begin writing. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. I am Tamatha Lene, and like I said, I post videos weekly on songwriting, vocal production, and music. So please do like and subscribe and share if this video has been helpful. And it's a good way to stay on top of your songwriting. I give different exercises and things like this for you to do in order to become a better songwriter and just a music creator. I think it's a great privilege that we have to create music. I feel blessed to be able to do it, and I'm extra blessed and honored to be able to share these different ideas and things that have helped me with you to help you along the way in your songwriting journey. And let's talk about it in the comments below. Have you tried free writing? If so, how has it helped you? Maybe even a fun little game we could do is free write with each other down in the comments. It's cool sometimes to see how other people's creative minds work. So if you're cool with sharing that, maybe do a quick free writing session down in the comments. Pick a topic and then free write. Give like at least 10 descriptors underneath without thinking. Phrases or words with the topic. That'll be cool to check out. And then we can add our 2 cents in the reply. So that'll be fun. But I just want this to be a songwriting community where we grow and we push each other. So thanks so much for taking time out to watch this video. And please do share it and like and subscribe if it was helpful for you. I am Tamatha Lene. God bless. Take care. Keep creating. And I'll see you in the next video.